Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert picture in Publisher anywhere. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert picture in this document anywhere. Go to the insert menu. Then click the picture option. And we can see here many picture. We select a picture and click insert. Now we can see we insert a picture anywhere. You can move this picture anywhere to this publisher document. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.